on our way back from Florida, we had some things that started to fall apart again on our RV. Some things that were fixed when we were at Rev. Well, just one thing that was fixed when we were at Rev, and then a couple of things that John had fixed before. Now, I was blaming Rev for this. I was wrong. Found out that John actually used the wrong type of glue, so we have rented this spot for the day so that we could go ahead and do some repairs. You know, when you're part-time RVing, sometimes, you know, you don't have the luxury. We can't keep our RV at our house, and we can't put the slides out in storage, so we just rented a campsite for the evening here on the base, and we're going to see if we can get this trim fixed the right way. John picked up the supplies, so let's get this started. This is not how we start projects, John. Really. Just brought in all your stuff. Out of breath from bringing all your stuff in.
I'm not
And
out
the
of
first
breath.
thing you do is you come and you take a seat.
I have to build up my strength to do the project.
Just so you know, we couldn't resist. It's been a couple of weeks since we've been camping. We haven't been camping since Tampa, and I was sick, and then he was sick. So when we got here, we were supposed to be working on the RV, but instead, we built a campfire. We had some food. We sat outside. The weather was nice, and now it's, what time is it, John?
It's almost 10 minutes to 5.
And now it's almost 5 o'clock, and we're just getting started on this project. We need to roll.
We don't have to start.
John.
What?
Work.
Oh, fine.
All right. So let's start with the plan. Tell everybody what the plan is, John.
I was just going to grab the thing and put it back on the wall. We have to put the trim back on the wall. You have to nail it in there. Tape it up there and glue it and all that kind of stuff. That's the plan. Take it out. I'll straighten the nails out. And then I'll add a few more and add a little super glue behind it. And put some tape on it because I don't have any vices. Don't take the tape. That what are you doing?
Taking the tape off.
Why?
Don't you have to take it off and put the glue and stuff on it? Are you doing that one first?
I was going to do that one since I'll have to deal with that in a minute. But right now it's behaving sort of. I'll just leave it. Take it off in a minute. This one's going to be the hard one. That one's going to be easy.
You got the drop cloth and stuff that we can put in?
It's right here.
Well, come on. Let's get this show going.
Oh my gosh. Is this what you do to people at work?
I'll be your moral support.
I have to talk to people at your job. See what
I coordinate stuff.
Yeah, but I say, hey, come on, get going.
Where's my code? It's late.
See? That's what it is. I tell you.
Fix it faster.
People don't like that.
Make it perfect.
Make it perfect. Oh, I'm bending these nails straight because somehow they all got bent down. I don't know how that happened. But I'm bending them out so that now I could put it up there and pound it in there. And maybe this will hold it long enough for me to get the other nails in. But with them lying flat, they're no good to me at all.
Are you going to have to sand off some of this glue that was on there before?
Yeah, I'll try scraping some of it off. I'll take it out there to do that, though. Man, I don't know. I guess these are some type of finishing nails. Or what do they call them? Brad nails? I don't know what they are, but you see they're as thin as staples, but they're not staples. So I don't know what they are. Ay, ay. So I wonder how many people out there have to do things like this to their rig. You know? Since we fixed the side one and the top piece of trim, we're going to do the two that did not fall down because we fully expect them to come down sometime in the future. So I might as well do it now. Show you that.
You know I got that on film.
You're not recording.
Yes, I am. I'm gonna keep that in there too. I never stopped recording. I never stopped, John. And this is how you finish a project. You show your bootay.
You know.
And I'm not cutting it.
You need to take that out.
Hey folks, put in the comments below how you like John's bootay.
You know, stop that. Oh my gosh, I'm done. I'm done. We're going home. It's raining. It's wet. I'm glad I'm done. Sherry, why do you bring rain every time we go camping?
I didn't bring the rain. And we didn't go camping. This was like a fix the RV trip.
It was. That's true.
We're like 1 mile from storage.
Yes, we are 1 mile from storage.
On the same military base.
Yes, we're on the same base. Now I need a vacuum for the edge here.
That's my job. I got it.
All right, I'll put my tools away then. And there you have it. We're fixed for the next month or so.
I hope it's more than a month this time, John.
It should be there. I put some 18 gauge brad nails in there. They're bigger than the pin nails they used.
John.
Oh, sorry. If you're enjoying our content, please don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe.
What about the notification bell?
And click that notification bell so you know about all our upcoming videos.
You think you'd know this by now.
Yeah.